Here, Angela with Angel's Edge again. Got another unboxing video. Got a Christmas present from my brother and sister-in-law. So it's a Coast flashlight. So it's kind of big, so it's hard to show all of it. But so we're gonna do an unboxing because they know that's what I do. I unbox stuff. So flashlights kind of go with knives because. So they know, like, I work on, well, I guess, if I have to work on cars, I work on cars. I do stuff. So they got me this. So it's a patented optic system. Has a pure beam focus, flood and spotlight. 700 lume. 656 foot range. Let's open this up. I'm going to take this off camera so I can get to it. Just did a unboxing of this knife here. Got Christmas too. It matches. Look at that. I'm gonna slice it open with this here. The Target Survival Blade. Anyways. Alright, let's get here. Get this out of the box. At least it's not. Oh crap stuff. Directions fell on the floor, but we don't need those. I think it's. Oh man, is this sealed in here like this? So you, damn, they make it. Break it. There we go. Oh crap, that's cool. Alright, so here's the Coast. I'm just gonna. The Coast PM300. Oh, it has this pivots. It's got like a ratchet almost like it, so it clicks so it will stay in one spot. Let's just turn it on. I don't want. It's really bright. Oh, it has like the focus. Let's see. Let me shut it back off because it's really messing with me. So it has a okay, like binoculars. It focuses in and out. I'm gonna go off camera and see what it does. Focus. That's focusing. Can't see it, but it really does focus in and out. Oh, there's different levels. See, there's 1 level, 2, 3. 3 different light levels. And it has a magnet. Oh, so I'm sure it's a very strong magnet because it almost looks like a mirror. And this kind of comes out like this, so you can sit it down like that, point it, something like that. Probably can hang. Oh shit, the knives are straight. That's a really strong magnet. Look at that. Yeah, that's a strong magnet. Let's see, so. Oh, you can hang it. Probably carry it like a lantern if you wanted. It just that just must be the bat. Oh no. Oh, this is how you get to the batteries. Yeah, it looks like easy access to the batteries. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 double A batteries. So easy access to the batteries if you have to change them. No screwdriver. That's cool. No, like you don't have to like find a screwdriver to get to them. So I like that. That's cool. And I'm sure you can you could like say if this was attached to something like this knife here. I'm sure you could like hang it from something like on the hood of a car. Let's see what it says on the website. Pop this over here. Let's see. Scene 2. Go to the website. Found at the Home Depot for $22.97. Say anything that I didn't see. So far, it's pretty cool. Let's see. Oh, is this? No, it's not. Ultra Adaptive Coast PM300 light. It rotates. Twist focus beam. I showed you that. Design. Great work light in any environment. You can attach it to your hood of your car, just like I said. And I didn't even read this. Hang it from rafters. Hang it from rafters. I guess you got a hook. Carry it with you where you need it. Flood beams are beautiful. Consistent circle light reaches up 700 looms. So, yeah. So 703 light modes. I showed you high, medium, low. And it's 6 AA batteries. Dustproof, waterproof. Tough to see waterproof. I wonder how it says waterproof. Let's look at the battery again. See if there's like a seal or. Oh, there's a rubber seal. I'm gonna pop back to the over here, but show you this. It does say it's waterproof, and there is a rubber seal on the actual around the batteries. All the way around the batteries, there's a rubber seal, so that should keep it. And there's a ridge right here, so when you clip it, you can feel like a mel, and you can see where it hit in there. So that's keeps the batteries from, and it clicks in there pretty good. It should be all right. Just looking at this, how tough this would be to. I think it'll stay in there. It's not really hard to pop out, so I don't know if it would sustain a drop. I'm concerned that if you drop it. But I mean, if this was closed like that, it wouldn't even matter, because if you drop it, it contains it. But I'm concerned if you drop it with this open, the batteries might pop out. Maybe, I don't know. But it's water. It feels pretty well made. Let me go back to the Home Depot site and read some more. So see, no halos between short and long. I would show you the light, but I'll show it against like it's just basically repeating itself. All right, nothing really new there. Okay, let's go back to the studio, and so let me see. I'm gonna try. Let's just put it up my camera this way. There, Angelo's Edge. There you go. They had this at Hobby Lobby. These you can buy these license plate sections it's pretty neat. So I made this. But anyways, so it might get a little bright. I'm gonna flip it on. This will be the high. Yeah, you see it. You can't even see the writing on my. So that's high. Oh, you could. Oh no. See, wait. Do you have to? Let's see. High, medium, low. High, medium, low. So, of course, that's not dark here, but it does. I like this thing. How it really will lock into place, so it's not gonna move. So, and then I showed you this. So, yeah, not bad for $20-some. I think this would be really good at night and working. It's kind of funny that some, like back in the day, you'd work on those trouble lights, and you'd hang them from the hook, and you can never find like a outlet, and the cord is always in your way. But I really think some now with the technology, 6 double-A batteries. Like I said, it was like 700 lume. So 700 lume, nice. It's actually a really nice looking flashlight. But yeah. All right. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and conclude this video. Remember, if you like videos like this, kind of like tactical, well, not so much tactical, knife videos. I sometimes do little electronic unboxings. I dabble in the flashlights. I have a few flashlight unboxings, and so if you like videos like that, you can go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to Angelo's Edge, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.